is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time.
You ever asked yourself why you'd want to be rich? If not, in this video, we'll explore the 3 main reasons why someone would want to build wealth. Stay until the end to learn all the upsides of being rich. What does being rich mean to you? That's an important question to ask yourself before pursuing financial success. The first reason most people want to become rich is for opportunities and experiences. When money isn't a concern, you can travel the world, explore new cultures, and enjoy life without financial stress. Wealth also gives you access to the best education, healthcare, and experiences for yourself and your loved ones.
Hey, Jake, buddy, can I control the bed, please?
No, but you can watch me control it.
Being rich also gives you control over your life. Let me explain. When you have money, you can make the best decisions for yourself, not just the ones you can afford. You also have the freedom to retire as early as you'd like without financial worries. In other words, wealth is the key to taking full control of your life. Before I share the final reason to become rich, make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about the financial world around you. Alright, the last major reason to build wealth is that it enhances your ability to help others. Having money makes it easier to support your family, donate to charity, or even create jobs by starting a business. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.